This is a briefing about lens in the home-based experiment competition. The objective of this experiment is to determine the focal length of a convex lens. The theory, we know light from an object that passes through a convex lens is able to form a real image or a virtual image. What is a real image and what is a virtual image? Real image means the image can be projected on a screen where its object distance is greater than the focal length of the convex lens. As for virtual image, its image cannot be captured on the screen, means we put the object less than the focal length of the convex lens. The terms that you should know when doing this experiment is the object distance, the image distance, height of the object, height of the image, and also the magnification. The related equation will be 1 over f equals 1 over u plus 1 over v, where we manipulate this equation in order to suit the graph that we are going to plot later on. Means we will compare to y equals to mx plus c. So we should get m equal negative 1 over f v plus 1 for this experiment. Apparatus that we are going to use is very simple. You just need a magnifying glass, a measuring tape, either one, a torchlight where we draw the object on the torchlight, and the measurement from the top to the bottom of the object will be height of the object. The apparatus setup will be, the torchlight is here, you can't see it because this is done in a dark room. The magnifying glass with a holder, and the image is projected on the screen. Here we use a wall as the screen. And this is the image observed, so you should find a clear image like this. So the distance from the bottom, which is inverted image, bottom to the top, inverted, so that will be labeled as or measured as image height. From the image to the lens will be image distance. From the lens to the torchlight will be object distance. So make sure the object distance is greater than the focal length of this magnifying glass. So the quantities to be measured for this experiment will be, you just have to measure the image distance, height of image, and height of object. Height of object will be a constant, but as we change the object distance, the image distance and height of image will vary. So you have to collect this data and tabulate it. So the quantity to be calculated will be magnification. So we are using image height divided by object height in order to calculate the magnification, and the value of magnification will be negative because the image is inverted. Later on, you will proceed to the analysis part using the software or apps given in the Google site on home-based experiment competition, and proceed to conclusion, in which you will refer to the objective and see whether you are able to determine the value of focal length obtained. Thank you for your time. All the best. Take care.